Hey guys, it's me, Sunlight, also known as Jenna. Last video, I did it backwards. So I promised y'all a video of me dressing all my Gachaverse characters up for winter, and I promised in my next video today, I'm going to make 3 videos. Actually, no, 4. 4 videos in a row today. But that's for good reasons. First, I promised y'all I would make this video. And then I promised y'all I'll make another video which I don't know if I can, so I'm not promising, but if I can get it, I promise I'll do it. But if I can't get it, I don't promise I do it. If that makes any sense. So, yeah, I'm just gonna dress up my characters and we'll just start with that right now. Okay, so, I already have Cupid and, I don't know her name, Melody is definitely not, Daisy is, she's not, she kind of is, she is, she's not, she kind of is because of sleeves, but they're not good enough. She could still stay the way she is, though. I'm just going to fix a few teensy weensy things. Okay, so we are going to start with making I don't want to change the presents, but make them all stand the same. That is easy to do. Cupid standing, she is. She's not. I like it though. But whenever I'm done, I just want them all to be standing the same way so it's easy for me to do this. I just did her. She's not standing like that. I want them all to stand the same, even if they're the ones that I didn't, that I already did change, just so that it's easy. I think they're all no, she's not. I lied, they're not all standing like that. Okay, now I think they are. I'm 100% sure they are. Yeah, they are. So, the one that we're going to start with is her, since she's going to be easy. So, I'm just going to fix her hair up and take these little pom-pom thingies out of her hand, fix her skirt, take off that tail, and change her pants and her shoes. So, this should be easy. If it isn't, it's okay. Okay, so that's the sleeves. Now the skirt. They're all going to have the same skirt. Don't get mad at me for that, but they are. And I'm going to change all their pants to have the same pants. So, yeah. They're all going to wear gloves. And I believe that's probably weapons. Yep. And we're gonna fix her, no, I don't want sword. We're gonna fix her hair, but others we don't want that. Okay, now hair. Her hair looks fine, I just don't like that little stick-up thingy on it. So, that's all we're gonna change right now of her hair. The hair is perfect. Okay, so there she is, and we're going to go ahead and go do Cupid's pants, so, because I didn't put any pants on her. Put her in the socks one. It doesn't matter, they're both the same exact thing. Okie dokie, now let's get her pants, because if I take the skirt off, she's not wearing long pants. So we are going to put pant. Okie dokie. Now, her, I just need to put skirt, new shoes, and pants. Easy as that. Oh, and maybe I want to do her hair. You know what? I'm just going to make her hair longer. A bit longer. She has... I'm not sure what hair she has. Yeah, she has that hair right here. But we're just going to make it a bit longer. And that looks a lot prettier. Not saying she wasn't pretty in the first place, but... Okay. I don't have to do this, but I'm just going to do that because it makes it easier to put the other stuff on. We're going to change your shoes. And then gloves. I forgot to put Cupid's and the other girl's gloves on. Oops. Belt. There we go. Now she's all done. She looks beautiful. Now let's just put her gloves on. I keep forgetting to do that. Okay. Cupid and her have the same gloves. So, yeah. I think she stole Cupid's gloves. I'm not going to make her have that long of those sleeves. I'm going to let her wear those. Or that. Whatever. Let's just make sure. Okay, they don't have kind of the same. So, I'm going to make her an inch taller. Because everybody else is taller than her. I feel bad for her. Okay, and I think I finished everybody. No, I didn't do her or her. I lied, guys. I lied.
Are you hungry?
What?
Are you hungry?
Sorry about that. And I'm gonna do her. I think her sweater's already good enough. So, since I like this girl so much, I'm gonna let her wear the same one as Cupid. Even though I wanted Cupid to be the princess. I just remember what skirt she has. She has that skirt. Yep, she has that skirt. What even is that? That skirt and that skirt are all the same ones. One's longer than the other, and one's like middle, and one's short, really short. So that's my only problem with those. Sleeves. Let her slide. Wear the same thing as Cupid. Get hair. She's pretty. I want to make her look exactly like Cupid. Oh, take out the ponytail. She had that ponytail. Yeah, she had that ponytail. I remember that. Okay. Let's see. She looks like Cupid. Oh, I found something that I did wrong. Hold on. They're gonna have the same hair. No worries. I just like this girl so much, which is, I'm just gonna let her slide, let her look like Cupid. I'm in the boys' hairs now. Okay, now I'm back in the girls' good. Was it in this? It might have been in this, I'm not sure. I don't see it. Where did I get it? It had to be in there somewhere. Oh, it must have been in this. Yeah, it was that. It's that. She looks like Cupid, she just doesn't have the eyeballs. The eyes. Okay. She's done, she's done. She's done, she's done. Last one. Her. Trust me. I will have beautiful voice. Just make her wish her back. Woohoo! Time to go to bed! Okay, that looks weird. Not to make fun of her, but that just looks weird. So we are going to let her wear that and wear long pants. No, she's no special person. She's gonna wear the same as all of them. They're kind of the same. La da da da. We don't really need to do anything to her. There's nothing really to do. But delete all of her hair. Well, not all of it. And then get the back hair and she's done. Ah! They are so pretty. Okay, here they all are. They're all gonna be here. They're all here. Wait. Somebody must have messed with this. Because I had a bunch of different people. And I know I did not have those two.
Jenna wants to go at your house.
For a fact. Because I had her. And her. Well, I know I just got those two. But I didn't even have the boys there at the time. Somebody messed with this.
And she did not make last night. Oh, she didn't? Well, Jenna, you're going to work all day.
Shush! I'm trying to make a video. Ugh. He's so annoying. Don't mind him. Trust me, he's the most annoying thing in the world. Ugh. Ow. Okay, that hurt. Okay, we're gonna put all of the new people I made today. That person. Her. Move her somewhere. You can see her, but you can see other people as well. I did everybody today. Are you okay? Sorry, he's very dramatic. He is very dramatic.
Alright, Jenna, when I get my food fixed, I'm going to want my TV back.
So I am back.